Greetings, everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about some spacing fixes and issues that can occur when you're working with the layout in the contact screen. So I'm going to go to Tools, I'm going to go to Design Layouts, and I'm going to go to Contact. Once in here, I'm going to maximize this, and I want to draw your attention to a couple things I'm observing here. First, in these fields right here, we have some spacing issues. There's a little bit, well, let me put it this way, the space is not equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first item. I'm going to hold the control key down, go through and click on each additional item. And at this point in time, I'm going to go to Format. I'm going to go vertical spacing. We have horizontal and vertical spacing. And I can come over here and click on Make Equal, Increase, Decrease, or Remove. So I'm going to click on Make Equal to see what that does. So now I've made the spacing equal. Now maybe it's a little bit too much space. And these are the kinds of things that, believe it or not, can take up so much time when you're doing designs of layouts. To get it perfect for the way it fits a person, it can be a little tricky. So this time I'm going to go Format, and I'm going to go down to Vertical Spacing, and I'm going to go Decrease. So now it's pretty much right on top of one another. But at this point, I've got to go over and do the same thing for these items. So when you're working with spacing issues, you can use tools in Act to help you do this. But I find it can be a little awkward to work with because you're trying to get everything to align perfectly. And if fields aren't the same size for whatever reason, then you run into some issues. Let me come over here and I'm going to click on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. All these items, I'm going to go to Format, Vertical Spacing. I'm going to go Increase, and I'm really throwing some things off here. I'm going to go Format, Vertical Spacing, and I'm going to go Make Equal. Now it's really all over. I'm going to go Format, Vertical Spacing, Decrease. And see what I'm getting at? So a lot of times you have to do the labels in the actual fields separately to get it where you want it. And in this case, because I know chocolate ice cream is a little deeper because it's overlapping, I might have to resize this a little bit just to get it to fit. So this is the little nitpicky stuff that can make working with a layout a little frustrating. And I think you hit a spot where, okay, you got to pick your spot and decide whether or not some of this stuff is worth it. And just don't overthink it. Okay, everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much for being here. I appreciate your time. You have a great day. Thank you. Bye now.